Welcome to the future. The digital age is here, and trust me, it's moving faster than our uncles and aunties on TikTok. World Economic Forum has predicted that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025. At Kane Africa, we are not just watching this wave of change from the sidelines. We are riding it.
In this space and time where the world is totally involved in technology, artificial intelligence, and all of that. So it's very useful that our youth, our children are equipped in such skills, know what this is all about, and help them see how they can develop themselves into taking advantage of what the world is today.
This isn't just talk. We are all about taking action. So looking ahead, we dedicated this summer to empower underprivileged African students with AI education.
The beautiful thing about this is it's actually coming at the right time for this generation. Teaching young ones now about the beneficial part and the implications of depending on AI really goes a long way. Educating them right now at this young age help them have a better perspective of what to expect from AI in the future and how they can engage themselves in it.
We need to ensure that these children have future-proof skills to create better lives.
I felt proud when I was able to explain AI concepts to my classmates during one of our group discussions. I really felt like a tech group.
The most exciting thing that I have learned is how AI can be used in different ways, from creating apps to solving real-world problems.
The fact that there can be a personalized AI tutor like ZKAI is amazing, and it will be a great help to my academics.
My name is May Ogenerukemi Asagba, and I'm the CEO and founder of Kane Africa. And we've recognized that AI education in many underserved African communities is almost non-existent. So if action is not taken, many underprivileged students will be left behind. So join us in empowering these students for a better future.